Ujjayi is the breathing technique we will use during practice, and I'd like to explain how exactly it's done. You're inhaling and exhaling through the nostrils with a slight constriction in the back of your throat. So using the muscles, you're narrowing your breathing passages, and it creates a sound, an ocean-like sound, and a little bit of a tickling sensation in your throat. I'm exaggerating right now, but it sounds something like that. That was an inhale. That was an exhale. When you're breathing and practicing on your mat, the person next to you probably won't hear you, but you yourself will be focusing on the sensation, lengthening your breath, and the subtle sound of Ujjayi breathing. It's not always easy to grasp how exactly it's done. So what we usually do is to explain it very simply. When you were a kid, you were drawing on the car windows while driving around while it was cold, and you would fog the car window and draw something on it. So it's the same sensation when you want to fog a mirror or a window. So you're doing, you're creating constriction in the back of your throat. But this time, try it with your mouth closed with an exhale, as if you would want to fog a window. And you can immediately understand and feel the tickling sensation in the back of your throat, and you can hear the subtle sound I was talking about. Now let's try to inhale the same way, creating the same narrow passages in the back of the throat. I hope it was a simple enough explanation. When you're practicing, try your best to use Ujjayi breathing techniques in your inhales and exhales. If you forget about it during the practice, that's okay. As long as you remember, you will do more and more asana, more and more postures with this breathing technique. And the point of it is to focus internally, focus on your practice, on your breath, grounding yourself in the movement, and make it a moving and breathing meditation. Now let's see the movement of the rib cage and your low belly on the inhale and exhale. When we inhale using the Ujjayi technique, try to expand through the rib cage, and the rib cage is moving in all directions, expanding left and right, forward and back. And as you inhale, try to focus on expanding through the chest and the rib cage. And as you exhale, try to contract your lower abdomen in and up, enforcing the natural movement of the breath as you inhale and exhale. And now let's observe how the ribcage and the belly can potentially move as we inhale and exhale. Breathing in. The ribcage expanded. Breathing out, low belly contracts. I hope you can see it. Again, breathing in. The ribcage expanded, and breathing out, contracting lower abdomen in and up. Again, breathing in, notice the ribcage expanding in all four directions. Breathing out, low belly contracts. Breathing in. Breathing out. Low abdomen contracts in and up.